This year, we are pleased with the proactiveness of our mind sports, so well on the national and international level. This has indeed raised the American continent mind sports profile. I would like to take this opportunity to mention a special player in our present in this FMJD Second World Championship Veterans 2022. This is our Grand Master, Alexander Mugilanski. Can you please raise your hand? This is our Grand Master, Alexander Mugilanski, and his wife, for sure. I truly believe that everyone present here is doing good and are super excited about being here at the Kòrsou House of Draft Raul Alias. Mind sport is an integral part of life. Mind sports makes our life interesting, teach us to work hard and push our limits to reach our new heights. I would also like to thank the other players of the Second World Championship and family for their effort and hard work in the preparing for this great event, which is the second one in the world. The first one was in 2013, which means Kòrsou is progressing. We are organizing the second championship of this type. It's a world title championship. Please let us hear for these players. Our local master federation, Mr. Carlos Rodoville. From Suriname, we also have a master federation, Marcel Oostenburg. We are proud now to present our member of Hall of Fame, Mr. Master of Federation also, Raul Alias. Our Grandmaster, international, and very many challenge in the world, Mr. Mugilanski Alexander. Now we also have from United States, Mark Sokolowski. And from Netherlands, we have David Riopasa. From our friendly neighborhood, Mr. Norrin Lau, President of the Draft Federation Bonaire. And all the way from Romania, Mr. Evert Wiskerke. And from the United States, we have Alexander Rudnitsky, Master of Federation. Last but not least, from Curaçao, the Master of Federation, Clifton Agata.
It is a pleasure being here. It is for me a total surprise that I have to say a few words because I did not prepare any speech. But mind sport is a great sport and it pushes us to the next level. So I encourage you all to have a good participation. I wish you all the best, good luck, may the best win. It is a master competition I get here, so I think you all are at the super top level. So thank you for being in Curaçao. Enjoy the island. I hope I will see you back soon on the island. Thank you all.
Deporte, mi tigo bisa também deporte dam tu deporte opi e na Kòrsou tu sport si di mind di mente pero tu sport kuno salanta chiquito conoce dem barrio nan kutawardo hunga esaki opi mi ta kora dia mi ta chiquito pota vai na penstrati tati sitio cammino tati opi competência então botava para participar como barrio na mucha com 9 dias de soan e acaba bota den deporte que desto deporte opi em com nosso país a conhecer e talvez mesmo nos opi master também riba den ikuta domina e deporte aqui.
Agora, dengue sala aqui tem par de títulos mais grandes, pero não bem fora do país, não pouco leu também.
Sim, esse estava impressionante, porque de România, antoture e título não conante, então está muito interessante para nós pôr aqui também de luz de dia, para começar aqui também tá outra forma de promover e market o país. E essa aqui é o papel de o papel de sport tourism. Nós estamos conectados na beisebol, futebol, porque isso aqui é mais popular no nosso país. Nós muitos se estragam no Wales Sport, mas nós também muito mais leu que isso aqui. Nós temos dominó também, nós temos dam, nós temos outro tipo de esporte, water ballet. Nós temos assim tanto talento extra chiquito aqui, como eu quero que nós por fazer bom propaganda, fazendo uso de deporte, de esporte, para nos promover nosso país fortemente do exterior.
In closing, I wish all our players every success and good luck. Thank you very much.